Standard 8, Subject Maths, Lesson number 17, Circle, Chord and Arc. Children, in previous video we have studied property of chord and perpendicular drawn on the chord of circle. Now next point is congruent arcs. Okay, if the measures of two arcs of circle are same, then two arcs are congruent. See children, measure angle AOB is equal to measure angle COD. See children, these are central angles AOB and COD. If these angles are central angles, these arcs AXB are included arcs. Yes, and arc AXB is equal to measure angle AOB and arc DYC is equal to measure angle COD. And if these two angles are congruent, these two arcs are also congruent. Okay, so from this we can say that the chords corresponding to the congruent arcs are congruent. In a circle, if two chords are congruent, then their corresponding minor arcs and major arcs are congruent. Okay. Now let's start with the practice set 17.2. First question, the diameters PQ and RS of the circle with center C are perpendicular to each other at C. This is center C and PQ and RS, these are two diameters. State why arc PS and arc SQ are congruent. Write the other arcs which are congruent to arc PS. The diameter PQ and RS of the circle are perpendicular to each other at center C. Yes, these are two diameters which are perpendicular at center C. Now measure angle PCS. PCS is equal to measure angle SCQ is equal to measure angle RCQ is equal to measure angle PCR. All angles are of 90 degree, right? Because this is perpendicular at the center. So from this we can write measure arc PS. This arc is equal to measure angle PCS, which is equal to 90 degree. Now all the arcs, all these arcs, arc PS, arc QS, arc RQ, arc PR. Similarly, we can write this way. These all arcs will be of 90 degree. So, measure arc PS is equal to measure arc SQ. From first and second, we can write PS in one, we can say. So, in this way, if measures are same, it means these arcs are congruent. So, we can state that arc PS is congruent with arc SQ. And from 1, 3 and 4, we can write arc RQ and PR are also congruent to arc PS. Therefore, arc PS is congruent with arc RQ, which is congruent with arc PR also. Now, in the adjoining figure O is the center of circle whose diameter is MN. In the adjoining figure, O is the center. Okay, O is center of the circle and MN is what? Diameter. Okay. Measures of some central angles are given in the figure. See, this measure is given MOA. Angle MOA is 100 degree. Angle MOD is also 100 degree. Angle BON is 35 degree. Angle CON is also 35 degree. These measures of central angles are given. Now, first one, we have to find out these measures. Second one, we have to show that these two arcs are congruent. And third one, we have to show these chords are also congruent. So, let's start solution. Segment MN is diameter, which is given. Measure angle MOA plus measure angle AON is equal to 180 degree because these are angles in linear pair. See children, I'll explain here. Measure angle MOA and AON means this angle plus this angle. If you will take, you will get half circle. So, is equal to 180 degree you can write. Okay. And this AON is again divided into two angles, that is AOB plus BON. So you can write MOA plus, instead of AON you can write major angle AOB plus major angle BON is equal to 180 degree. Therefore MOA is how much? 100 degree plus AOB you have to find out, and BON is how much? 35 degree. Okay. Therefore major angle AOB is equal to 100 plus 35 is 135, which is equal to 180 degree. Therefore major angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 135, that is 45 degrees. Now same way, similarly for major angle COD also we can write. See, for major angle COD also, major angle MOD plus major angle NOD is equal to 180 degrees. Same like this, because these are angles in linear pair. Now major angle MOD plus NOD you can write major angle NOC plus major angle COD, which is equal to 180 degree. Again this is 100 degree and NOC is 35 degree. So major angle COD you have to, therefore major angle COD is equal to 180 minus 135, that is 45 degrees. Now secondly we have to find out major arc AB is equal to major angle AOB, which is 45 degree. Okay, we have calculated measure of, we have got measure of angle AOB, which is 45 degree. So we can write arc AB is also equal to 45 degree. Then measure arc CD is equal to measure angle COD, which is 45 degree. Again measure arc AB is equal to measure arc CD we can write from this 2. Therefore if these two measures are same, if both the measures are same, we can write these two arcs are congruent. Therefore arc AB is congruent with arc CD. Now next, number 3 is arc AB is congruent with arc CD, this statement. And if these two arcs are congruent, then corresponding chords of congruent arcs are congruent. So we can write chord AB is also congruent with chord CD. In this way we have completed practice set 17.2.